Today I am back with a really interesting recipe. Today I am going to tell you how to make Aloo Sheddo or Aloo Choka. So let's begin. So the ingredients that we need to make Aloo Sheddo are boiled potatoes, green chilies chopped, red chili powder, salt and mustard oil. So we have to peel the boiled potatoes. So now we are going to mash the potatoes. We need to mash the potatoes in such a way that there are no lumps. Now we are going to add a little bit of salt. Mix it. Now a little bit of red chili powder. Mix it again. Now the potatoes are nicely mashed. We are going to add the mustard oil. Spread it in the pan. Now we'll add the green chilies and saute them. Now we'll add the potatoes into the pan. Our aloo sheddo is ready, but if you think the salt or the red chili powder is less, you can add it now. I'm going to put it in the plate. And to garnish it, I'll add a little bit of coriander on top of it. So our aloo sheddo is ready. Bye guys, see you in the next video.